Much for waiting.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, so we will going to provide you a refund of the difference. So that's since £72 or 68 pence has already been refunded.
No, it hasn't, because I've not received anything. I have not received anything.
It will be posted within 5 to 7 business days back to your payment card.
Right. Well, I suggest that you're telling the truth, otherwise I'll see you in court. You personally.
I'm sorry?
I suggest that you're telling the truth, otherwise I will see you in court, and it will be you personally.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Okay. Thank you very much for your help. That's great. Thank you very much for your help.
Anything else? So this refund will be posted within 5 to 7 business days.
Yeah, and I want something for the inconvenience, because I've just had to waste 32 minutes of my evening calling you regarding this. So what are you going to do to compensate me for my inconvenience? I want to make a formal complaint. Yes, I'm not very happy. You know, if I'm promised something, that should be done. I shouldn't then have to wait another 30 minutes of my evening when I'm a very busy young man, that then I have to call up and be put on hold and stuff and wait for you to decide what you're doing, when it should have just been done right in the first place. So actually, I do want to make an official complaint for the inconvenience this caused me, and it's very made me quite upset and distressed. And it really has. Because I don't like calling people.
You're asking for a lot of money. That's why I don't have the authority to provide that automatically. I need an approval. That's why I put you on hold, but you refused to be on hold, so I put you on mute.
Yeah, so for my inconvenience, I would like some credit to put to my account or something to apologise for the inconvenience that it's caused today. Because it's very made me quite upset and distressed about calling you.
How much are you expecting, Aiden?
Well, maybe some credit to my account of £10 for the inconvenience that it's caused me today.
Wow.
And I would like, if you cannot agree to that, then I feel that you need to speak to your manager, because at the end of the day, I do apologise that it's not you personally, but if the gentleman did this right in the first place, I wouldn't have had to waste 30 minutes of my evening tonight ringing you and being put on hold and waiting to be called back and everything like that. So yes, I would like something to be done to compensate me for my for my inconvenience and the distressing inconvenience this caused me.
I'll have to ask approval for that, Aiden.
Thank you.
And I need to put the call on hold again.
Well, that's fine, but I'm waiting. I'm very, very upset about this whole situation. Don't put this on Facebook. Don't put it on Facebook.
This is epic.
You're not putting it on Facebook.
This is epic.
I won't be happy if you put it on Facebook.
Why not? This is funny, bro. This is fucking funny.
Hello?
Thank you so much for waiting.
That's
Aiden.
okay.
Yes, so my supervisor approved this one as well. Please allow us 24 hours for this £10 credit to appear on your payment card. On your account balance.
Thank you very much. And I do suggest that that man that did the thing wrong is spoken to, and training is given to that gentleman for the inconvenience that he has caused Amazon. And they've now lost £10. So I suggest the training is given to that colleague, to make sure that this error not ever happens again.
I'll definitely forward this feedback to my manager.
Okay, that's lovely. Thank you very much. So you can confirm that £10 will be added to my account, and the refund totaling £79 will be rectified. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome.
Take care.
Thanks for calling Amazon.
Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.